you can say what part of it will be business, what part of it will be stakeholder, what part of it will be solution, and so on, like transition.
Sure, perfect. Let's take very basic. I need a mobile app where I can deposit a check. That's it.
Right.
That is the business need. That is the business requirement. Okay.
Okay.
Then accounting department should be able to see check numbers, right? They deposited, or you can say front and back side of an image. Accounting department should be able to see for 60 days. Okay.
Right.
That is a stakeholder requirement, and your stakeholder class is account.
Okay.
Second requirement, I'm going to give you a second requirement for the same stakeholder class. Stakeholder class is user, which is you who is using that application. So I'm saying user should be able to see image of a check front and back side for 30 days. Okay?
Okay.
That is again a stakeholder requirement. Now coming to the solution requirement.
Yes.
Non-functional requirement is that application should work 24/7 except maintenance time. That is a non-functional requirement.
Okay.
Right? And functional requirement is once I click the front, let's take step by step. Once I should be able to click the front side of the application. Front side of the check. Then I should be able to click the back side of the check. Third, I should be able to enter the amount as shown on the check, and then would be able to deposit it. That is a solution requirement, right? I'm trying to explain you what is the solution, what I need from you in order to deposit it in.
Yeah, in order to the transaction, so that the transaction is happening, you need to do few things, and those are going to be the functional requirements, like maybe a form where you punch in the amount, and you take the photograph of the front, you take the photograph of the back. Those are the functional requirements, right?
That is correct.
Right. So I get all these things until now. I mean, it's pretty obvious. But in this scenario, what would be a transition requirement?
Sure. In this scenario, right now there is no transition requirement because I do not have an existing system in this scenario. Right? In order to go from A to B, I have to create a transition requirement. That's why for transition requirement, I gave you a different example of two systems. When I'm merging two systems in one, or when I'm trying to make one system as a global enterprise service.
That's the question. Are future upgrades and enhancements classified under transition, or it is not?
Come again. I didn't get it.
Future upgrades and enhancements on the system, do they qualify as transition requirements or not?
No. It depends what you are looking